Okay, so this video here is to show you how to get the AI API keys. I'm going to show you how to get the one for Google and the one for Grok. Here it goes. Let's see, how do we get to the API keys? Well, not there. It should be in the settings. Aha, it's in the top right hand corner. Let's see, we want either Google or Grok, and we don't have an API key for either one, so let's click Get Free Key. In order to get a free key, you need to continue with Google. If you don't have a Google account, you need to make one. And then there's going to be this whole lengthy sign-in process. Let me log out to kind of simulate that. Let's see. Well, that's too easy. Let's see. It's got to be harder, right? Like, I guess we'll find out in class how it actually looks on each one of your computers. All right, so that's Grok. Uh, let's see. You go to API keys. You create an API key. Give it a name. Right, and then it's going to give you a long string of characters. Copy that. Take it over and paste into the Grok key field and save your settings. Now, whenever you write one of your interpretations, it's going to go through two things. It's going to go through a very harsh regex analyzer. That's basically just going to be checking whatever sentence you made against this structure right here. So it won't understand nuance. You could actually be correct, and it'll just say, hey, you didn't say it exactly the way it's been written in this template, so wrong. But if you enable AI, let's see, I just say something like this. Let's do it for all of these. I grade my conclusion. Ideally, you'll get two analysis. One is just the keywords, which is why I said just it looks for patterns, and the other one's actually from the AI itself. Obviously, my response was pretty bad, so it doesn't really. You'll find more. What do you call it? Uh, when you actually get through, when you're actually doing these things and trying to answer these things sincerely, you'll find there will be a difference between what the keyword interpretation is or the Grok interpretation is. Well, okay, so that's just Grok. It's not the same Grok as Elon Musk's Grok. It's just has the same sound, but actually the Elon Musk Grok starts with a K, ends with a K. This one ends with a Q. They're actually different, so I don't know why they would have the same name. That's one model. Google Gemini is pretty good, but the problem is they run out of uses quickly. But uh, they're still worth trying. Get a free API key. As long as you have a Google account, it should take you to the screen. You might have to press a few buttons to get there, like sign in. Let me sign out to see what it looks like. Let's try this again. Sign in faster. No, not now. Let's see. Yes. Okay. This is the same story. Create an API key. Name your key. I think you need to select a cloud project. So create a project and say AP Stats, perhaps. And let's actually give a good name. LSRL, least square regression line trainer, maybe. Let's see, where do I have it? Right here. Boom. We don't even have to really click on it. Just copy the API key. It's now in your clipboard. It's in your buffer. You can either right click and click paste, or do it the way I do it, Control V. Or if you have a Mac, Command V. Save settings. Now it's going to choose Gemini over Grok because Gemini is more powerful. Let's see. Let's give this an honest go. Housing prices. You have y hat equals your intercept plus your slope times your x, and your r is negative 0.5. Your x is actually square footage, as in square feet. Your y is sale price, thousands of dollars. How do we interpret this? Well, for every increase of 1 square foot, the predicted variable, the predicted sale price, I don't know, increases or decreases. Well, the slope is negative, so decreases by $0.09 thousand on average. Let's see if I can, for every one. I should have just been typing this instead of reading out loud. Square foot. Predicted sale price decreases by $0.09 thousand on average. Let's say I don't like the way 0.09 thousand sounds and I want to show off how smart I am. So I say something like, what is $0.09 thousand, right? That's probably $90? Because 0.9 would be 900. Yeah, so $90. I'm betting that the pattern search keyword is going to say I got it wrong, but AI will say I got it right. Let's check it out. And these ones I'm not going to care about. Try again. Oh, before I click try again, let me copy this just in case it wipes it all. Okay, let's try it. Aha. Oh. Oh. Well, this is why I said that Gemini, even if it's powerful, um, it's expensive. They don't give that much in the free tier. But you guys haven't used it that much. Most of you probably haven't, so you probably still have a lot of whatever you call it, credits left. I have been using it a lot, so I ran out. But I guess I was wrong here, right? The keywords search actually said I did it fine. I covered everything. It understood this. Well, let's see if we can swap to the Grok model. We'll put the default grading mode as Grok. Let's try this again with Grok. Okay. They both said we did fine. Yeah, it noticed that Grok noticed and was able to comment on the fact that we changed from 0.09 thousand to the equivalent. Anyways, this might make it more fun to learn how to speak the way AP graders want you to speak. And another note, if you want to see this in 3D, boom, it shows you all the data. All right, and it even has a few questions to kind of polish up your understanding of this stuff, right? You got the LSRL. You scroll down to zoom in, scroll up to zoom out. This is housing prices. This is the raw data. I feel like it gave a different data than what my question. Well, what is this? Oh, target versus actual. I don't understand why it modified the slopes. Well, that's out of scope of this video. Let's see if I can correct it real quick. I could actually ask it that. App goes to 3D Explorer. I noticed the LSRL equation had changed. Like, what happened? Decided the LSRL wasn't accurate enough. Can you fix this? All right, Claude, give it a shot. Okay, thanks guys for watching this. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please talk to me. Talk to you later.